to come try this.
Beautiful.
So it is our take on a croque madame. We have a rosemary focaccia on the bottom from a local bakery. We're doing a, excuse me, a honey ham, a fried egg, and a Mornay sauce. Our Mornay sauce it has lime and chives in it, and then everything that's garnished is all local, from our citrus to our micros. They got that fried bread.
And new product alert.
Get a picture, come on.
Bomb bread. Here, both this time. That goes down so smooth.
Nothing.
Oh yeah, dude.
Honey mustard slaw and fried chicken with a jalapeno on top. Awesome.
Yes, how are you?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Woo! That is nice. Hell yeah, house kitchen, baby!
Went around.